Hello,
Deshaun, can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
I'm Deshaun Singh Bupal, Mr. Philippines 2026, Cebu City.
Alright, guwapo kaayo.
Thank you.
So how does it feel that you are representing the Queen City of the South here at Mr. Philippines?
It feels very nervous. I feel very nervous. Since knowing that many pageant kings come from Cebu City, I feel very nervous. But at the same time, I believe in the saying that pressure makes diamonds.
I am very curious, how tall are you?
I am 6'4".
Oh my God. And how young are you?
I'm turning 18.
Oh my God, you're so young and you're so tall. But yeah, and do you have any Indian descent?
What?
Are you part Indian?
Yes, I'm actually half Indian, half Filipino.
Oh, I do have Indian co-workers in Hyderabad. But anyway,
Oh,
because I'm an engineer before. Anyway, going back to you. You are one of the youngest of the batch. So, what motivated you to join Mr. Philippines?
what motivated me was my managers belief in me. At first, I was hesitant to join this pageant, but then my manager told me. He told me the saying that goes like, pressure makes diamonds. So that's why even though I felt pressured, a little bit pressured before, I'm very happy to be here at Mr. Philippines 2026. I'm happy to meet new people. I'm happy to experience new experiences.
You are the youngest. What lesson from your childhood are you going to bring here to the competition?
A lesson that I would bring from my childhood is to never give up. Many people tend to give up in the middle of the pageant, but me, I want to push through Mr. Philippines 2026.
And of course, aside from your motivation, do you have any advocacy that you will bring here to the national stage?
Advocacy that I would bring to the national stage is to stop racism. I was a victim of bullying back when I was in elementary because of my Indian hat. When we were younger, I was advised by my dad to have this dupatta, which in English terms means a turban on my head. And I used to have long hair, so they used to tease me and call me a girl.
But you really have grown so well. I mean, you're one of the most. How does it feel now? You are getting a lot of positive attention now that you are a official analyst.
It feels very good, especially knowing that modeling is my passion.
Yes. And uh, can you greet or what is your message to your fellow Cebuanos? Can you greet them in Bisaya?
Salamat kayo ninyong tanan nga naa mo diri gatan-aw para mo suportahan ako. Shout out niya sa akong mga kauban sa model, sa GPA Models and Talent Management. Shout out sad sa akong mga kauban sa eskwelahan, shout out sa akong mga classmates, shout out sa akong pamilya, shout out sa akong ate, my mom, and shout out to everyone who's here to support.
All right, thank you so much, Deshaun Gopal from Cebu City for Mr. Philippines 2026, and good luck on your Mr. Philippines journey.
Thank you.